Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your microphone to OBS on your PC. So first we need to go to our scene. So I'm just going to use this test scene right here, monitor 2. Then we want to go to sources and go to the plus icon. And OBS makes it very easy to add a microphone in here. We just want to go to where it says audio input capture and select this. And it has a little microphone symbol by it. And then we can just go to a new one. So let's go to Blue Yeti. That's the one I am using, Blue Yeti. And go to OK. And device default and drop down to your microphone, Blue Yeti. OK. And select that. You can see my Blue Yeti is added on here. So I have my mic / auxiliary already added on here. And then here's my Blue Yeti on the top. We select this little button right here and we go to filters. And let's put some filters on here. So I like doing a compressor. And most of the time I just leave these at default. And noise gate, so that gets rid of all the little background clicks. Noise suppression for suppressing that. And then a gain on here. So I can increase this a little bit. And I have more options to slide it in the menu mixer right here. So you can see this one down here. If I want to go ahead and hide one of these, it's very easy. I just go to hide right here and then I won't see it. And at any point in time, I can just go to on hide all and people see what I hid. I think there's another way. We can go down here. And if we select this, we can even mute it. So we should be able to just select it and mute. And then we have mono right here. So yeah, you can see the active status. So sometimes I'll use this monitor. We want to hear our voice. We can go to monitor output, and then we will hear ourselves talk. So you can just get rid of it. I believe you can just mute it right here if you don't want to hear it. Boom, and it'll be muted. So if you have a couple different microphones added, just go to that section, and you can see them easily. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did? Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.